Now on ABC 24 News, meteorologist Trevor Birchett with the Mid-South certified most accurate forecast.
Radar is looking a lot better right now than it was just 12 hours ago. All of that snow and rain has moved off to our north and east. Now heavy snow up in places like Ohio, Pennsylvania, coming into New York City right now. Skies are mostly clear across the Mid-South. We've got a little bit of cloud cover sneaking in and a couple of snow flurries in southern Missouri that could try to sneak in here overnight tonight. Don't worry, we're not expecting any more accumulation, but you might see a flake or two flying around if you're lucky. Now, as we zoom up to the north and east, you can see how wide this winter storm is going to reach. Anywhere from Atlanta up through basically Canada under a winter storm warning right now as this storm continues to cause trouble all the way up and down the eastern seaboard. But again, luckily, it is all done with us. Take a look at some of these snowfall totals from this morning. We are looking at 8 inches of snow that fell in Wallet, Mississippi. We told you somebody was going to get caught under a heavier band and somebody could see more than 6 inches, and that's exactly what happened in parts of Tippah County. About 5 inches in Moscow, Tennessee, 4 inches in Byhalia, 3 inches in Munford, and the official report at Memphis International Airport was an inch of the fluffy stuff, but some folks on the east side of town saw a little bit closer to 2 or 3. Definitely higher as you go over toward Germantown and Collierville, and then higher amounts even more once you get into Fayette County and Marshall County, right there along the Tennessee and Mississippi state line. Everybody else generally about an inch, if not just a little bit less. Temperatures right now officially above freezing at Memphis International, but colder air is settling back in. We're already 30 degrees below freezing in Oxford, about freezing in Holly Springs and in Tunica, and everybody is going to fall down below freezing overnight tonight. Thanks to those clear skies, that helps the temperatures to fall just a little bit quicker. So as we go into tomorrow morning, we do have that potential for some black ice as you hit the roadways for the morning. Now, luckily, not a lot of folks going to be going to work, not a lot of folks going to be going to school, but if you are headed out early tomorrow morning, do watch out for some slick spots, especially on the bridges and overpasses, and especially in the spots that saw a little extra snow today. 30 degrees in Memphis at 6 a.m. up to around freezing by 8 a.m. So tomorrow, temperature is going to be around 45 degrees. It's going to be sunny and cold. But that should help to melt whatever snow is left. Now, what is black ice? Basically, it's just a thin layer of ice that accumulates on the pavement, but it's so thin you can't really see it until you start sliding. That's why it's so dangerous. What happens is we get the snowfall that is melted by the sun, and then once the sun sets, it refreezes on the pavement once those temperatures get below freezing. So as those temperatures fall by tomorrow morning, look out. Bridges and overpasses especially could be slick in spots, and the sidewalks as you're going into any businesses. 54 on Tuesday, 53 Wednesday, chance of some rain then, and then a big time cool down. 22 for your low Thursday morning, 20 degrees Friday morning, maybe another slight chance of a wintry mix by next weekend. We'll watch that with highs in the 40s.